Good morning students. In my last video, I gave you some homework. Today, we are going to solve that questions. So you can check your answer. Number 1, find the HCF and LCM of 625 and 325. So solution of number 1, we have two numbers 625 and 325. So at first we have to find out the HCF and LCM also. So by division method we can find out HCF. So 625 is divided by 325. So 325 was 325 0 0 3. Now 300 comes. Now 325 divided by 300. So 300 was 325 remainder. Now 300 divided by 25. So 25 ones are 25. 5 remainder, 0 comes, 25 to the 50. So the HCF of 625 and 325 is 25. Now find out the LCM. 625 and 325 divide by 5. So 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 2 and 5, 5 fives are, and here 5 6 are 30, 5 fives are 25. Again by 5. 5 25s are 125 and 5 13s are 65. So LCM of 625 and 325 is 5 into 5 into 25 into 13. So what is the result? 5 5s are 25, 25 into 25, 625 into 13. So what is the result? So 5, 7 and 5, 12, 12 and 2, 1 in hand. 2 and 1, 3 and 8, 11, 1, again 1 in hand, 6 and 1, 7 and 1, 8. So LCM is 8, 1, 2, 5. LCM is 8, 1, 2, 5. Next, question number 2. What is number 2? The product of two numbers is 120. If their HCF is 6, what is their LCM? The product of two numbers is 120. If their HCF is 6, what is their LCM? So as we know, LCM equals to first number into second number by HCF. Now product of two numbers is given. It is 120 divided by HCF is 6. So 620 is a 120. So what is the LCM? LCM is 20. So we can solve this type of problem using the relation product of numbers equals to product of their HCF and LCM. Now next, number 3, find the number which divides 167 and 95, leaving 5 as remainder. Find the number which divides 167 and 95, leaving 5 as remainder. So, what to do? Two numbers 167 and 95. So, find the number which divides 167 and 95, leaving 5 as remainder. So at first, subtract 5 from both of these. So you will get 162 and 90. Then what to do? We have to find out the HCF of these two numbers. That is HCF of 162 and 90. So 91s are 90, here 2, 72, then 90 divided by 72, 72 ones are 72, 18, now 72 divided by 18, 4 18s are 72. So what is the HCF? HCF is 18. Therefore, the required number is 18. The required number is 18. Next, number 4. The HCF of two numbers is 144 and their LCM is 2880. If one number is 720, find the other number. So, here, what will be the other number? Other number equals to, as we know, the HCF into LCM equals to product of numbers. So other number equals to HCF into LCM by first number. So what is the HCF? HCF of two number is 144 into their LCM is 2880 divided by, if one number is 720. So for divided by 720. Now solve it. 0 0 out. Cut by 2. 36. Here 144. Again by 2. 18. Here 72. Now divide by 72. Here is divide by 18. Here is 1. Here is 4. So 144 into 4. That is 4 4s are 16. 6 1 in hand. 4 14s are 56 and 1 57. So other number is 576. Other number is 576. Next, number 5. Find the HCF of 36, 52 and 72. Find the HCF of 36, 52 and 72. So you have already done. At first we have to find out the three numbers are 36, 52, 72. So at first we have to find out the HCF of first two number. So 52 divided by 36, 36 ones are 36, 16, 16 twos are 32, 4. Now 16 divided by 4, 4 fours are 16. Now 72 divided by 4, 4 ones are 4. 3 32, 4 8s are 32. So what is the last remainder? 4. Therefore HCF equals to 4. So HCF of 36, 52 and 72 is 4. Next, question number 6. Question number 6. Find the HCF of 18 and 24 by finding their LCM. Find the HCF of 18 and 24 by finding their LCM. So here the two numbers are 18 and 24. So question is find the HCF of 18 and 24 by finding their LCM. So at first we have to find out the LCM of 18 and 24. So 18, 24. At first divide by 2. 9 2s are 18. 12 2s are 24. Again by 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. So what is the LCM? 3 4s are 12. 12 into 3, 36, 36 into 2, 72. Now, using this LCM, we have to find out the HCF. As we know, HCF equals to first number into second number by LCM. So, what is the first number? 18 into second number 24 divided by LCM 72. Now cut 18 and 72 4, 4 and 24 6. So HCF is 6. Next, question number 7. Find the LCM of 15 and 35 by finding their HCF. Find the LCM of 15 and 35 by finding their HCF. So same procedure. In this case, at first we have to find out the HCF. So 15 and 35. So 15, 35 is divided by 15. So 15 twos are 30, 5 remainder. Now 15 divided by 5, 3 5s are 15. So HCF of 15 and 35 is 5. Now we have to find out the LCM. Find the question is find the LCM of 15 and 35 by finding their HCF. So at first we have done HCF, which is 5. Now LCM equals to first number into second number by HCF. So first number is 15 into second number 35 divided by HCF is 5. So 5 sevens are 35, 7 into 15, 105. 7 into 15, 105. So what is the LCM? LCM is 105. Next, question number 8. What is question number 8? Find the HCF of 48, 56 and 72 by factorization method. Find the HCF of 48, 56 and 72 by factorization method. So 48, if you factorize, you will get what? 2 into okay, it is better to showing you. 48 divided by 2, 24 divided by 2, 12 divided by 2, 6 divided by 2, 3. Next, so 48 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Now 36 56, sorry. 48, 56 and 72. So 56 divided by 2, 28 divided by 2, 14 divided by 2, 7. So 56 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. Next is 72. 72, if I factorize 2, 36 by 2, 18 by 2, 9 by 3, 3. So 72 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now you can see 3 2's are common in all the cases. So what is the HCF? 2 into 2 into 2, which is equals to 8. So HCF is 8. So this is the factorization method. Next, find the HCF of 120 and 168 by long division method. It is the normal procedure. 120 and 168. Number 9. So 120 and 168. We have to find out the HCF of 120 and 168 by long division method. So 168 divided by 120. So 120 ones are 128, 4, 48, 2s are 96, 6 and 4, 10, 24. Now 48, 24 2s are 48. So HCF equals to 24. HCF equals to 24. This is the long division method. Next, question number 10. Find the least number which, when divided by 6, 14, 18 and 22, leaves remainder 4 in each case. Find the least number which, when divided by 6, 14, 18 and 22, leaves remainder 4 in each case. So at first we have to find out which number is divisible by, which least number is divisible by 6, 14, 18 and 22. So we have to find out the LCM. So 6, 14, 18, 22. So first by 2, 3 2s are 6, 7 2s are 14, 9 2s are 18, 11 2s are 22. Again by 3, 3 1s are 3, 7, 3 3s are 9, 11. So what is the LCM? 2 into 3 into 7 into 3 into 11. So 3 2s are 6, 6 into 7, 42. So 42 multiplied by 33. So what is the answer? 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12. Again 6, 12. So 6, 8, 3, 1. 1, 3, 8, 6. So 1, 3, 8, 6 is the least number which is divisible by 6, 14, 18 and 22. So my question is, which is the least number which when divided by 6, 14, 18 and 22 leaves remainder 4 in each case. So therefore the least number which when divided by 6, 14, 18 and 22 leaves remainder 4 in each case is 1386 plus 4, which is equals to 1390. Therefore the least number which when divided by 6, 14, 18 and 22 leaves remainder 4 in each case is 1386 plus 4, that is 1390. As the least number which is completely divisible by 6, 14, 18 and 22 is 1386. So we have to add 4 to it to get our required number. Thank you very much.